Hi there, so today I'm going to show you how to make a tincture. Now this process looks very different once we're in our facilities doing this on a large scale to produce our products, but this is just to show you a little bit of the process and what goes into making a tincture, because it's actually a really time-honored, simple and beautiful process that produces really clean and effective products. So to start off, today I'm going to make a 1-to-3. So what that means is I'm taking 1 part plant to 1 part alcohol. So I'm going to take 50 grams of meadow sweet here and 50 grams of willow bark. That's going to add up to 100 grams of plant material. So just going to check here, already tailored for the glass. So 50 grams, perfect. And 50 grams, great. So 100 grams of plant material. Then I'm going to take my big old jar here. I'm going to tear the jar. And I'm going to measure out 300 grams of alcohol. Now we always use 100% food grade grain alcohol. Today I am using a potato vodka that is gluten-free because that's what I could get at the liquor store, but of course we're doing this on a different scale when we're making our products. So I'm measuring out 300 grams. I've already made sure to sanitize all my jars, making sure everything's really clean for this process. Great, it's about 300 grams there. And then I'm just going to add my plant material. Once that's in there, seal up the jar and give it a good shake. Making sure to really coat all that plant material in the alcohol. Once I'm done here, I'm gonna let this sit for about a month. It depends on the different extraction times for different products, but as I put this away, I'm gonna make sure it's in a cool, dark area, and I'm gonna be sure to label it properly. So I wanna make sure that I make note, this is a 1-to-3, and I've got meadow sweet and willow bark. I would slap that label on there, and let's say a month goes by. So taking my product back out, giving it another last shake, and then I would be ready to strain out the product. So I'm not going to do this today because obviously this hasn't been sitting very long, but I would essentially take some nice clean jars, find something to filter the product with, and make sure to remove the plant material from the alcohol extract. Then that's basically it. You can label and bottle your jars and they are ready to go. So that is how to make a tincture. Thank you so much for watching, and let us know what you thought in the comments.